Hello Namblers and welcome back to Nam's Eatery. Today I've got a special package for you. Let's check it out. Here we have some Nampanadas. We got 3 different flavors here. Alright Namblers, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to prep my Nampanadas. You thaw these out in some lukewarm water, like so. And here we have my Durian Mozzarella Empanadas. If you love durian, you're gonna love these, honestly. I know durian is an acquired taste, but in my travels to Asia, in China specifically, they had a lot of cool dishes with durian paired with cheese. And it was actually a Pizza Hut in China that served durian pizza. I know it sounds crazy, but durian and cheese, I believe, is a match made in heaven. It's like custardy, cheesy, pungent for sure. It's so good. So here we have durian, custard, and mozzarella in an empanada. You're gonna love these if you love durian. Check these out. So we're gonna do these Nampanadas in 2 different ways here. We'll bake them and fry them, and I'm gonna show you how. Let's check them out. Let's do this. All right, so we're gonna do a little half-half here. We're gonna bake these durian Nampanadas. Totally simple. First thing you wanna do is preheat your oven to 375. And next up, what you wanna do is unwrap these guys from the plastic wrap and brush them with an egg wash. Now these are puff pastries, so give them a little breathing room. All right, there we go, beautiful. All right, and a little bit of egg wash. Just grab an egg, crack it open, beat it up, and brush them on. Let's pop these in the oven. We're gonna add some oil to the pot, no more than halfway. All right, Namblers, we are back and the Nampanadas are done. Here we have my Banh Mi Nampanadas and my Namburger Nampanadas with sauces. So what we're gonna do is sauce it up right here. Like so. Bam. Nice and easy. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's dig in. My Banh Mi Nampanadas. Cut these up. Look at that. Char siu, Vietnamese sausage, a little bit of pate, pickled carrots and daikon. Dip that in the cilantro jalapeno aioli. Got that heat. So good. Mom. Let's check these out. Wow, these look amazing. This is a Namburger Nampanada. I was inspired by In-N-Out Burger with this one because we over here in California, You know how it is. We love our In-N-Out burgers. NaminalStyle, caramelized onions, NaminalStyle sauce, beef, and American cheese. Just like that. Let's try these out. And this one was deep fried. So my In-N-Out go-to order is cheeseburger, lettuce wrap, NaminalStyle fries. Well done, so good. What's your go-to In-N-Out order? Leave that in the description. Let me check that out. Let me see how it is. Until next time, guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
I hope that you gained some value and enjoyed watching this video as I enjoyed making it. For recipe downloads and to support this channel, visit namseatery.com where we're shipping frozen, ready-to-heat food nationwide, like our Philly cheesesteak nampanadas with caramelized onions, mushrooms, and provolone cheese, shrimp, crab, and cheese nampanadas, which are always a hit at the parties. Namburger Nampanadas, it's like an In-N-Out burger served Naminal style. Durian mozzarella cheese nampanadas for all the durian lovers out there. I know you're out there. And my Banh Mi Nampanadas. These are like a Banh Mi experience in an empanada. You can also support our channel at patreon.com/namseatery, where you can score some Namtastic merch. Thanks for watching. I'll see you Namblers in the next video.